Okay, everyone, this is the day. I took and I cleaned off everything except for my thyme. I pulled up everything because it was all dying off. And here's my potatoes. I pulled the things out, but when I was pulling it out, I pulled a couple little ones out. So I'm going to move this over in the yard where I got the dirt from and see what we got in there. Well, set the bucket down as best I could. And I see, here's one, another little one, one here. Let's dump the rest out. If I can get it out. A lot of roots in there. See what we got. If anything else. Oh, here's a nice one. That's a pretty good sized one. Let's see. How do I do this one-handed? Hand it that way. There's a big ball. I don't see nothing in here. But it's so much easier in a bucket. So I got nice, I guess it's going to be like a brown skin when I wash it out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, here's another little one. Another little one there. Another little one. Not very big, but enough for soup or something. Another little one here. Another little one there. Not bad for planting for little potatoes. I don't know what that is. That looks like a spider nest to me. Oh, can't forget this little guy. Or this little one. Or this one. Or that one. 2 more. Oh, another little one here. Oh, this is murder in my back, though. Well, there you have it, people. That's what I got. Unless there's some more in this root pile. Nope. So, that's what I got out of my potatoes. I'm happy with that. Oh, man, that hurts. Okay. I know this ain't much of a video, but I wanted to show you this. I promised a few people I would show it. Altogether, I got about 12 or 13 cucumbers. Nice big ones. I ate them right up. I brush them off right next to the plant and just eat them right there. Yeah. I got quite a bit of thyme, quite a bit of basil. And the basil still has a few leaves left on it, but she's dying too. I might try to put that in the house and grow it in a pot. This was what was it now? The cucumbers, they were planted in this one. Spinach was in there. I got a little bit, but it wasn't worth my effort. The basil, I planted 2 backpacks of lemon basil seeds, and only 1 plant came up. But now these are starting to look like basil too. Probably can't tell unless my hands are dirty. All I can smell is dirt. And I can pick some more thyme here. So I'll get some more of that. And the beans are all done. I pulled them out. Got rid of basically everything. The chives were in here, but they got just little hairs. They really didn't do anything. That pot, I had stevia in there. It never even sprouted. And I forget what was in that one. I can't remember. Or well, the pumpkins, Cherokee Tan, were in that one. They grew really well, but they didn't flower or nothing. They went way over here, over to the bottom of the house and across the yard, but they didn't get anything. So I might try, being that those did well, I might put some in the ground next year, like over there in front of the house. They can spread and go crazy. Maybe them and cucumbers, and like to get some buttercup squash seeds. Supposed to be getting some of them. But when I pulled the corn out too, it got one little ear of corn that was also in this pot. It did really well, considering I planted it about a month late, and it grew up and it got way up here, and it got they had a little tiny ear on it. I think if I would have got it in earlier, I might have got something off of it. But at least now I know I can grow corn in a pot or container. These are all food grade buckets too. So, except for the yellow one, but it was never used. That's all. I got some more food grade buckets over here, and I got about 15 more in the house. I might use some for storing dry goods in and stuff, because I have lids for them too that seal really well in my man cave. So that's all for today, guys. I'm sorry I've been away for a while. I've been depressed kind of lately, and just spending time with the Lord and praying for other people and stuff. I just feel it's not my time yet. If he has something that he wants me to say, that's when I want to say it. So, remember, like I always say, whatever you do in life, make a difference. And I really, 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 really hope that somehow, some way, this old geezer's making a difference in your life. Thank you so much for making a difference in mine. Bye now. Until next time.